What does it say? Stay back. Radio frequency energy may exceed exposure.
Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be filming my week. Even though I'm just gonna be filming Monday through Wednesday, so it's only 3 days. Today it's Monday, if you didn't realize why I'm filming, it's Monday. And the only reason I'm filming today is because there's gonna be an In-N-Out food truck after school. So you know I had to buy my ticket for that. So my friend Joseph and I are gonna go, and I wanted to vlog that. That's the only reason I'm vlogging. I was only gonna vlog Tuesday and Wednesday because let me tell you why. Tuesday is my first AP exam like ever. It's my English language AP exam. So I wanted to film like, obviously not the test or anything. Like I didn't want to talk about it or like what the test had. I just wanted to like tell you guys my experience and how I think like I did. So I'm not trying to get in trouble or anything. Like I'm not gonna talk about it. And then Wednesday I have my other second AP exam, which is Spanish language. I think that's what it is. Let me show you guys my outfit, and then it'll probably like be like home, and then ooh, next clip is me after school. So
we're all under attack. We don't care if you're rich, don't care if you're poor. Feel winning, fuck for Trump. We don't need no liberal chump. Yeah, real winning, fuck for Trump. Care if you're girls, don't care if you're dudes. You don't care if you're both. That's up to you.
Alright, are we wrapping it up so you guys can get some work done?
Fuck for Trump. We don't need no.
Come on, only if you sing with us.
guys, we left early from our class to go to the In-N-Out truck with Joseph, like I said.
Oh my god, I flipped them off instead of peach.
I'm so excited. Here's your ticket. Wait, it's a
Peace and love.
bus.
I've literally been starving myself, guys, since yesterday.
How excited are you,
I'm super excited.
guys?
Okay, guys, we're in the line for the In-N-Out. It's gonna be so good, I think.
Show them the boxes.
Oh yeah, guys, look at the boxes over there.
Guys, the event doesn't start until 4, and it's
Blue
like
Lives
3:30.
Matter flag on the teacher car.
Where?
Guys, let's all start a chant so they go fast. We're like, we want it now. No. When do we want it now? Guys, we cut, so we're like hella
We don't
close.
I mean,
She was saving our spot.
yeah. They should get ready right
Do you
now.
see everybody back there? They all cut. And like
We came early.
we ran down the stairs to get a spot in line just for it to be invalidated, you know?
Because everyone was getting us spots saved.
Yeah. But thanks to Amy, she saved us 2 spots.
Just 2. Guys, we're so close. It's moving. We don't care if you're rich. Don't care if you're poor.
Can you spread my buns, In-N-Out worker?
We'll see you when we have our
Burger.
Wow, yo me tengo que chingar este right now.
We got chips because they didn't have fries. So, take this. I know it's buzz. It's buzz.
so buzz.
Guys, we're doing our daily stroll, right? Well, it's been 2 days. But she's saying that this house is abandoned. We're like in South Pasadena. It's like right next to my house, guys. But there's like cars right there. But where are the cars? Guys, we broke into this house. We just pushed the fence open. Really, but look at the view. It's kind of scary though. Like, we try to go from that way. Like, oh. Whatever. Shh. Oh.
My house.
Hi.
Guys. Look. It's our house.
No.
You see those lights? They're like chunks.
Yeah, like guys, like they're like hella revoting it, so we just walked in. Yeah, if this is your house, I feel really poor right now. Why is he staring?
Like, what, you're gonna call the
Weirdo.
cops?
Call
Wow,
it.
I'm gonna almost be homeless. Nah.
Whoa. Okay, it's giving. Sorry.
Blur that out.
Hey guys, so we've been walking for like an hour maybe. Yeah. Nah, no, we start at 6:30. It's only 7:04. We just walked up more, and I'm telling you, we're right next to the water. What is it? Water
The water tank. Or
tank. Something like that.
something that says South Pasadena.
Look, guys, it's nice. I've never seen one in person.
What does it say? Stay back. Radio frequency energy may exceed exposure.
Let's go. Guys, we've been walking here for a while, and it's pretty nice actually. It's just like, it kind of looks like where I live.
He's standing right here.
Screenshot. Whoa, if I push you, you're gone. Imagine being drunk. Imagine living right there. I'm a nickel pickle. We're here bright and early for the start of AP. She told me to walk faster. I said no, bitch. I walk slower. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and we're here because we're gonna take our AP language exam.
Aiming for a 2, guys. I don't know about her.
I
but for me,
unclicked. What time is it? 7.
It's 7. 7, guys.
She woke up really early today. It's just like, guys, we'll tell you how it goes after the exam.
And we'll tell you if we advise you to take AP English.
Just know it's multiple choice and 3 essays.
Is that it?
Yeah.
I'm chilling, bro. Spanish has like 20 points, I swear to God. So we'll see you after the test. And let's see how long it takes. So, it starts at 8, by the way, so. Oh my God, guys. We're done.
We're done. We're
Finished.
finito.
I was gonna say that.
Oh my God.
How do you think you did?
I think I did. I think I got a solid, like the multiple choice. I felt like I ate
Yeah,
that
right?
shit,
It was
right?
kind of easy, right?
I feel like the ones you work in class, if you're like gonna take it, the ones you work in class, like take the class, I mean, the ones you take in class are like harder than the actual ones that are like in there. Yeah.
I finished the 45 questions.
I did not because I'm a slow reader, guys. But don't worry, I was
You
on
should work
35.
We're walking to our third period right now, but yeah, we had to write 3 essays.
I got two essays.
2. She got 2 essays done. You already know, guys. I got all 3.
For me, I feel like I'm proud of like that. Like if you know, like if you're someone like me that like struggles with language. I mean English. That like you struggle with English and like you struggle with reading fast and like writing fast. Then like for me personally, I feel like 2 is a win for me.
I feel like, you know, the class was fine, but I think you'll do great on the exam. Oh, it's close. Friend, we're here for the AP Spanish exam. How are you feeling?
I don't know Spanish, friend. I'm a fail. Are you ready, friend?
Bruh, she go to Mexico every week.
Friend, what do you rate it? What do you think you're gonna do?
I think I'm gonna get at least a solid 4.
A 4?
I have really high hopes.
4 is that? I got 1. Oh, she got 1. Well, we got 4.
We got
4s.
We got 8. We're gonna pass.
We have to.
This one's longer
You
though.
should tell Wendy. She's good at manifesting things.
Wendy's not here. She stayed home.
So when is she gonna? She's not gonna take it?
Cause it was of the shooting, guys. They were gonna shoot up our school today, so let's see if that happens. It's gonna start like at 8:30, and then I don't know what time it ends. We'll keep you updated. Good luck, guys.
Wish us luck.
Good luck.
I'll let you know how.
Oh, damn, guys. It's 1 o'clock, and the test is over.
5 hours in hell.
Yeah,
And we
You
did
today?
it. Look, I'm a survivor. My hair's all over the place. We better get nachos.
Ay, qué bueno. We're going to 7th only because we're gonna get nachos.
And then we're gonna get a Kool-Aid.
A Kool-Aid. Should we
I'm
go get the
thirsty.
Kool-Aid right now?
Nah, let's go.
Let's get the nachos.
Yeah.
That test was so long. It was easy. Like it was easy. If you like the class itself is fine. Yeah. It's just like the test. The test was really hard. Fine. It wasn't. It was just long. It was so long. Yeah.
Really? What about the conversation? Really?
I'm like,
Okay, movies.